Hey guys, welcome to another painting video. This time we're going to use, again, we're going to try and use Rain-X. I think the result is great with Rain-X. We did try a lot of things since we did make over 700 video. But I think that even though we did try and had good result with alcohol and Floetrol and what have you not, I think Rain-X does a great job. I like it, and I think we're going to try and prove it once again. We're going to do a pouring, a fluid pouring with different colors. I think we're going to use about 5 colors. We're going to do a swipe, then we're going to spray Rain-X over it. I'm sure it's going to be great. It's hard to go wrong with Rain-X and acrylic and pouring. So let's go and try it, and let's come back at the end to talk about it. Let's go and try it.
So guys,
listen, again, I think the result is great. I don't think you can go wrong with Rain-X. I think the result is always great. It's something always out of this world. I think it's unique each and every time you try it. So listen, it's a question of taste, of course, but I think the result is quite spectacular. You have, it's like a scene between something very nice and something very dark. So I think it's nice. I think it's something to try. I think that the way we did it, I think it brings up the colors and the cells. I think the cells, listen, the cells are great by themselves. Of course, I see it. I just finished it, but you see it dry. So I think it's gonna do a lot of work. It's gonna change as we speak and throughout the hours coming. So I think it's gonna be nice. So listen, guys, I hope you're gonna try it, because like I said, it's a very special technique. I think it's very nice. It's not that hard. It don't take a long time to do it, but it's always nice. So guys, I hope you appreciate. I hope you're gonna come back and you're gonna, of course, you're gonna try it, because like I said, it's very easy, it's simple, and the results are great. So guys, like always, please subscribe, leave a comment, and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next painting video. Take care, guys. Ciao.